Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're making possibly the national dish, I think it is the national dish of the Philippines, pork adobo. Very, very easy to make. You just get it all together, stick it on the stove and it's done. Delicious, succulent, tender and super tasty. Now, of course, as you may know, Chef June is on this channel with me, my partner in crime, and he cooks Filipino food all day, all night for us, but in his language. This one, I'm going to be doing in English, of course. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we're using today. By the way, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below. So we've got some pork here. I'm using a pork belly cut into nice, decent sized pieces, but bite size. Onion, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, crushed garlic, just some clove garlics that we've crushed, bay leaf, peppercorns and some brown sugar. So in a mixing bowl, as you can see our pork's there, we're going to add pretty much it all in. So soy sauce, there you go. The vinegar. And the vinegar to the soy sauce is about 2 to 1. Salt. Black pepper seeds or corns. The garlic, the crushed garlic. Now we're going to use more garlic, so we're going to use double garlic. We're going to marinate this and then we're going to use some more garlic a bit later. Some brown sugar and our onion. Now what we're not putting in at this stage is the bay leaf. The bay leaf and, like I say, the double amount of garlic we're going to fry a little bit later. But what we need to do now is give this a mix. We're going to get some shrink wrap or cling film or plastic wrap over this. And you need to leave this in your fridge for about 2 hours. Overnight would be fantastic. Minimum 2 hours. And if you wanted to give it a bit of a kick, you could add some dried or fresh chilies. I'm keeping it au natural, just like this today. So I'll be back in 2 hours. We can move on to the next step. Okay, so I've left my meat now for 2 hours. Like I say, overnight would be wonderful if you've got time to do it. Okay, I've got some oil in here, and there we go. As our double garlic, crushed garlic, and now we can add our bay leaf. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry this around just for like 1 minute or 90 seconds or so. Just want to get a little bit of colour onto the garlic. Then we're going to grab our beautiful pork mixture or marination, and it's going to go in with a touch of water. It's pretty much done after that. So delicious, but so easy. Back in a moment. There you go, you've got a nice colour on the garlic, and we've really infused that oil now with the bay leaf and the garlic. Simply what we're going to do now is we're going to add our mixture. Now be careful now, because we've got oil in there and we're about to add quite a lot of liquid, so slowly, slowly. There you go. Next up, we're going to add water. And enough water just to sort of level it out a bit. That's good. Just like a pint of water there. Now, if you wanted to bulk this out because you've got a bigger family, or just because you fancy it, you can get some potatoes in there. If you're going to do that, cut them about the same size, or maybe a little bit bigger than the pork. Okay, we're going to put the lid on this now, and we're going to go for about, for me, 40 to 50 minutes because of the size and the cut of pork that I have. Check it every now and then, because you want to kind of retain that kind of level. You don't want to get it too dry. So if it gets too dry, add a little bit more water. I'll see you in about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That's been about 45 minutes now. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Super, super easy and super, super, super tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do check out Chef June's videos on our channel, because he's got loads and loads of Filipino stuff spoken in his native tongue of Tagalog. We'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love.